Got the old compressor out. And the problem is it will not turn. It will not turn, it's locked. Not one bit, won't turn. So that snaps the belt. Just locked up. So they go bad by either stop working, adding too much pressure, or they lock up and the truck doesn't start. As you can see, this is completely locked. It will not turn. Not even a thousandth of an inch, it won't turn. So it needs to be replaced. Everything else is turning. Everything else is turning. It's done. There's no fixing it. I am trying with all my strength to turn this thing. It will not turn an inch. The clutch on the top will turn. This is what you hear when you turn the AC on and it cuts off. This is the clutch, but this is not this part. These are two separate parts. You need this part to turn for the belt to turn.